Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Old Tech New Look. My name is Baz. I'm back to do a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 8a. So this phone was released this year in May, so it's fairly new, just not too old, but this is Pixel Budget. It's one of their budget phones. So let's get started by opening this up. So inside the box, oh wow, that looks really good. The shine on that. Quality wise, it looks really nice. Put that there. And inside we have the phone itself. I'm not gonna lie, that feels really good quality. The back's supposed to be plastic, but it goes really well. I've had to put the phone down. So what do we have here first? So inside the actual box, you have the adapter from USB-C to the standard USB. The cable USB-C to USB-C, and I'm assuming there will be a SIM tray. Right. Oh, there we go. So the ejector tool, and inside this pack there's some books. There we go. One tiny little book with all the information which, let's be honest, no one will probably read. So to summarize, USB-C cable, the ejector, the adapter, and the actual phone itself. Or with the phone, if we do the peel. Not gonna lie, I really do love the look of this, the feel, and this colour. So guys, tell me what you think, how this looks. This feels really nice. The colour itself, I think, is really nice. The back is plastic. You've got Gorilla Glass 3 at the front. So it's a 6.1 inch display. So I will be reviewing this phone, but that's my unboxing. And any questions you want to ask about the phone, feel free to put in the comments and I will reply back. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you again.